Turning now to what has dominated most media outlets of late, the 2014 midterm elections. With Republicans securing a majority in the Senate, Louisiana may not get as much attention from D.C. despite the runoff in our Senate race. Republican challenger and current 6th District Congressman Dr. Bill Cassidy will face off against incumbent Senator Democrat Mary Landrieu in the December 6th runoff. This could prove to be Landrieu's toughest election yet, since she has only garnered 42% of the votes in the primary. Another race that voters will decide in a runoff is for the seat Cassidy vacated to run for Senate, the 6th Congressional District. On December 6, former Louisiana governor and lone Democrat in the race, Edwin Edwards, will face his first runoff election since 1991 against Republican newcomer Garrett Graves. In northeastern Louisiana, the kissing congressman is out. Incumbent Republican Vance McAllister failed to make the runoff, coming out fourth in a field of 9 candidates. Republican political newcomer and Special Forces veteran Dr. Ralph Abraham will face longtime Monroe Mayor, Democrat Jamie Mayo, in the December 6 runoff for the District 5 congressional seat. In District 4, incumbent Republican Dr. John Fleming easily held on to his seat. It appears Rice Country will keep its congressman. Incumbent Republican Dr. Charles Boustany will continue to represent Louisiana's 3rd congressional district. In the 2nd congressional district, Louisiana's lone Democrat in the House of Representatives, Cedric Richmond, will hold on to his seat for another 2 years. And in the 1st congressional district, again, it's the incumbent Republican who wins the primary. Steve Scalise will continue to represent the southeastern part of the state. Louisiana Farm Bureau Assistant to the President, Jim Monroe, says the change of power in the Senate and some key races across the country will affect agriculture.
Well, we know that control of the Senate has changed to the Republicans. Senator Thad Cochran from Mississippi, who was reelected, is the ranking member on the Ag Committee, and you would think that he might move up to be chair, but it looks like he may go to another committee, so we'll have to wait and see who's going to be chair of the Senate Ag Committee. House Ag Committee is going to be changing as well because of term limits and things like that. The Republicans have a larger majority by about 10 members in the House, and so it looks like the Republicans will be very firmly in control of now both the House and the Senate.
There are also 14 constitutional amendments on the ballot, none dealing with agriculture. 6 of them passed. For a complete list of all election results, you can log on to our website at twilatv.org. Still to come on This Week in Louisiana Agriculture, what do you do with the Ag Minute when Kristen Oakes is out sick? You look for the best home remedies. All coming up next.